It's a fake. Kuya James to, tawa. Tawa-tawa, ang dami. Tuwan-tuwa si Kuya James. Dami tawa, Kuya James, ah. Nabudol ba? Are you single or ready to marriage? I'm single. I'm single. Single but I have a kids. Mingle. Anong mingle? Mingle, single. Mingle with with kids and partner. Not yet married. It's okay, I like kids. At may jowa ka. Uy, grabe siya. Uy, syempre naman. Hindi ako papatol sa puti lola. Mahirap na. Kuya James, tawa-tawa, dami ah. Yes, I have a partner. Look at this. Ayaw akong mamatay. Marami akong nababalitaan dyan. Why you didn't wait for me? How old are you, Jerry? Yes, pinagawa ko yan, Lola. Tsaka ito pa, Lola, oh. Ano naman siya, pillow. Tapos ito, yung aking kids. Diba? Oh, diba? I'm 62 but I'm young at heart. Oh, nice pictures. Alam mo ko, Lola, marami akong ano sa buhay. Gusto ko nagawa ng mga picture na photos. Kuya James, that I have also a dog. But not real. I ano ba? Looks like same cha-cha. Diba? May padiba-diba ba si Kuya Tots? Nice, cute. Ngil ako doon na thank you. Lola, anong analmusal mo, Lola? Anong pinartner mo sa kape? Gusto ko mag-champurado. Champurado tapos sa gata. Kape at pandesal. Nagawa ko ng pandesal nung nakaraan eh. Hindi pa lang siya masyadong perfect. Jerry, do you have a wife?